Okay, we'll be doing a function test for the SKS gun here. I put a new bolt assembly into the weapons receiver here, and we'll be doing a 5-round shot. I got 5 rounds in the magazine here. Wolfie WPA 124 grain military classic ammunition, and we'll see how the weapon cycles to see if it has any problems with the head spacing right here for that. So we'll check it out here, 5 rounds. See what we got, guys. Let me get a good stance here. Or I should say a good sitting position for you. Okay. Check it out, 5 rounds. You get a good target point up there. Functioning great, no problems.